Hey there, smart shoppers. Today we're checking out the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another doorbell? But trust me, this isn't just any doorbell. It's like the superhero of doorbells, and I'm pumped to tell you why. First off, let's talk price. At $229.99, it's not exactly pocket change. But here's the thing. It's the top dog in Ring's lineup, and for good reason. So what makes it so special? Well, imagine never having to climb a ladder to change batteries again. That's right, this bad boy is rechargeable. Pop it off, charge it up, and you're good to go for months. But wait, there's more. The video quality on this thing? Crystal clear. We're talking HD that'll make your TV jealous. And the field of view? It's like your door grew eyes in the back of its head. Now, let's chat about those pesky false alarms. You know, when your phone goes crazy because a leaf decided to do a dance in front of your door? The Pro's got advanced motion detection that's smart enough to know the difference between a visitor and a visiting squirrel. Oh, and can we talk about looks for a sec? This doorbell is sleek. It's like the James Bond of doorbells, sophisticated and gets the job done. Last but not least, if you're already in the Ring or Amazon smart home family, this doorbell will fit right in. It's like the cool cousin that everyone wants at the family reunion. Look, I get it. It's not the cheapest option out there. But if you want top-notch security, crystal clear video, and the convenience of never changing batteries again, the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro is your new best friend. So what do you think? Are you ready to upgrade your door's IQ? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more smart home tips. Until next time, stay safe and stay smart.